Imagine waking up one day to find that everything you've worked for is gone. What would you do next? Life has a way of surprising us, sometimes in the worst ways. But what if I told you that within every setback lies the seed of a comeback? Today, let's explore a story that will remind you of the strength you didn't know you had. Mira was an ambitious young architect working on her dream project. One day, she received devastating news. Her firm lost its biggest client. Projects were canceled, and Mira was out of a job. For weeks, she felt lost, doubting her talent and questioning her purpose. But one evening, as she walked through her neighborhood, she noticed an abandoned community center. It sparked an idea. She decided to pitch a proposal to redesign the center. Using her savings, she created a prototype. Slowly, people started noticing her work. Soon, a local NGO funded her vision, and the center became a beacon of hope for the community. Mira's story isn't just about rebuilding a career, it's about finding purpose in unexpected places. What Mira teaches us is simple. When life breaks you, it's not the end. It's a chance to rebuild something even stronger. Your greatest setback could be the start of your greatest transformation. You just have to take the first step. Now it's your turn. What's one challenge in your life that you can turn into an opportunity? Think about it. Write it down. Take one step today. Remember, you are stronger than your struggles. Every great story begins with a choice.